In this video, I'm going to show you 2 real ways that you can make money online drawing. And it's going to be different than some of the other videos that are out there. So be sure to watch this entire video as I show you how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. Alright, so as I mentioned in this video, I want to show you 2 real ways that you can make money online simply drawing. Now, it's not going to be something that the other people are telling you to do. Yes, it will require some work, but if you put in a little bit of work, you are going to see a lot of results. So let's go ahead and get started. Other people are going to tell you to jump over to Fiverr and create a drawing gig. As you can see here, there are 83,000 services, so you'd have to compete against 83,000 people in order to start making money with drawing. That's going to be incredibly competitive. But what if there was a way that you could actually start doing this and making more money? $200 per day, $100 per day, whatever it is, you can do it if you follow this entire video. So there are 2 ways to do it. One is to, obviously, you could start a YouTube channel. Now, before you click off, there is a lot of opportunity with creating a YouTube channel. You can create a channel and you can get paid with Google AdSense. You can get paid with affiliate links, but you could put affiliate links from Amazon right in the descriptions of all your videos, and be sure to add a call to action. But a better opportunity, because this could be considered a little competitive, is to actually start a blog or website. Now, I jump over to Ahrefs. It's a paid tool that I use to gauge the competition for different blogs and websites out there. What I've done is I've typed in drawing. Now, it says drawing is super hard, super competitive, but what if there was a way to narrow the competition? What we're going to do is we're going to go down to matching terms here, and then we are actually going to change the keyword difficulty. Now, before I continue with the keyword difficulty, I should tell you what it means. The higher the number from 0 to 100, the more difficult it's going to be. So as you can see here, its drawing is at 84. Can't get much difficult than that. But as you can see, cat drawing is only 10, so that's not too difficult. And the volume is at 38,000 page views per month. What if you could have a slice of that and you could make money a few different ways simply doing this? So watch this entire video as I give you some suggestions here. So we're going to change the difficulty to 5. All right, we change it to 5, and there are over 49,000 keywords that you could draw on. And the top result here, mushroom drawing, has a difficulty of 3, and the volume is 22,000 page views per month. So what we can do is we can copy this. We're going to jump right over to Google. We're going to paste it in, and you can see the top results are images, then Pinterest pins. What you can do, and what I recommend that you do, is start a blog. You can start for free. You can start with something like Bluehost. I'll put a link in the description to Bluehost to help you out. It will be an affiliate link, but you can make very good money drawing. And what I would recommend that you do a few things here. One, you can get paid with AdSense, so the ads that run on your website, you'll get paid 24 hours per day. 2, you can actually link out to the tools that you use. For example, if we type in drawing tools or stencil, think about everything that's required for drawing. They need special pencils. They probably need special paper like Sketchpad. They may want special lighting. All of this can help you make even more money. Special markers, as you can see here. These top results, $26 for a drawing set. Scroll down here, $29, and you could get paid up to a 10% commission for these. As you can see here, there's this special tracing board. That's $21. You could include links to all of these and essentially make $100 per day with these methods. So what I would do is a few things. One, I would jump over and start a blog or a website focused on drawing. You can go through and you can write step by step showing people how to draw, and then include a link to the exact products that you're using. If you're using a special stencil, include that. If you are using a special light, include that in the blog post. And when people click on that link and buy the product, if it's on Amazon, you can get paid a commission as long as it's an affiliate link. Another thing that you could do, which is especially tricky and cool and awesome and a way to make even more money, you could actually create a digital download full of all of these different drawing templates. For example, if we go back over here and we look at, let me just hit back here. What you could do is you could either do this yourself or hire someone out to create a mushroom drawing, a heart drawing, lion, lips, all of that, put it in a PDF with step-by-step directions, and then you could sell that right on your website. You could, let's say you package up 500 of these, you could sell it for $5, you could sell it for $100, and people that are interested in drawing, they want to learn drawing, they're going to buy that. You make 100% of the profit minus taxes and processing fee for credit card processors, but this is the way to go. This is the real way to make money online, to make $100 per day. It's not trying to cut corners and do little gimmicks and tips and tricks. It's to go out, create this digital property. In this case, it's going to be a website or even a YouTube channel. And then again, you can get paid with affiliate products. So special stencils and pencils and paper and even lighting. You can get paid with having ads either on your YouTube channel or even on your website. But the best way to get paid is going to be with those digital products. Again, you can create, well, you could actually draw everything out by hand. You could scan it into your computer and then sell the PDF. You could actually create a booklet, or you could hire someone on Fiverr to do it. Create a booklet with step-by-step instructions on how to draw a mushroom. So if you've ever been in kindergarten, you have like step 1, they have an arrow, step 2, and so on. You could do that, package it up, and sell it right on your website. You can sell on your website with a WordPress plugin, or you can use a third party like ClickFunnels that takes care of basically all of the guesswork, and you make the money. This is the real way to start a business. You have your own digital asset that can't be taken from you, and you have multiple revenue streams that are feeding into this asset. And the more content that you create, the more money that you could potentially make. So if we go back to mushroom drawing and we scroll past Pinterest here, let's see this first result, easydrawingguides.com. If we click on this, you can see this is exactly what they're doing. They're showing you how to draw. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this. I want to see how many words are on this page. While the number of words on the page don't give us a great indication, as you can see, they have a free ebook here. It doesn't give us an indication of the quality of writing, but it gives us an idea of how many words we need to put on the page in order to start building a traffic to your website. Now, the cool thing is as you can see on this blog, he has this person, it is a man, this person is monetized a few different ways. When they click this link and download, they'll be added to his email list. And so he's going to probably market with a course or something along those lines. If we click this and we click word counter, he has 914 words, which isn't terrible. And this is a step-by-step drawing. Now you could actually modify this. It actually looks like he might have a YouTube channel as well, but you can see this is exactly what I'm talking about, that step-by-step thing here. And you can either create it on a free site like Canva, or you can draw this out by hand. It looks like he may have drew this out by hand. But as you can see, this is a very good opportunity to actually make real money with drawing. As you can see, mushroom drawing on Etsy. That's another thing you could do. You could actually have a digital download, but we don't want to rely on third parties. And there is lots of opportunity. And if we jump back over to Ahrefs, you could do a mushroom drawing and then a heart drawing and lion. And if you love drawing, this should really take you no time at all. And what we can even do too is we can change the keyword difficulty down to 0. That means that you should be able to rank within a few weeks at the latest. You can see the top result here of a moon has 16,000 views. If we copy this, I'm sure you're going to see some of the results. This person probably did the exact same thing. Whoops. The other blog post probably did the exact same thing as what we're doing now. But you can draw basic moon drawing, Pinterest, Shutterstock, easydrawingguides.com. As you can see, that's exactly what this guy did. He probably went through each one of these keywords and just started writing. The hardest part is just getting the first one out the way. Once you get the first one out the way, you're going to find lots of success as long as you are consistent. So if you look at this, again, most of this is just him doing it, and it's probably 1,000 words. As you can see, 917. It almost looks like the exact same length of time, but length of the post. But as you can see, there are ads all over the site. There's an ad here, there's an ad here, there's an ad there, and he can get paid if I click on any one of these ads. If we click on member login, he probably has more premium things for you to buy, and you can do this too and make even more money. This is a very good opportunity, and it's not some of that. It's not this, because this is too competitive. This is way too competitive. 83,000 people. You're competing against an entire football field, and unless you're willing to put in, kind of grunt work for temporary success, why not play the long game and make even more money? Again, you can make money with affiliate offers. You can even create a drawing course and sell that to people. You can create a PDF, a book of a step-by-step guide. You could essentially, you could package this up and sell it all in one place. Now, people will buy things when you save them time and you save them money. If you sell them a book of 1,000 step-by-step drawing and you market that, people are going to buy that, and they'll buy it for $20, $30. And you can even put this over on Amazon and sell it that way. But there are a ton of opportunities, real opportunities. It isn't the fast money type of thing. Now that you know how to make money drawing, click the first link in the description for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.